Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Anne. We are by Mammee Bay, and this is where China Harbour Engineering Company is going to be building a massive residential development. Now, the development is going to be the Mammee Bay River Development, and it's going to be on 160 acres of land in Mammee Bay. Now, some time ago, early 2000s, China Harbour Engineering Company came to Jamaica to build Highway 2000, which is a highway you're looking at on the left. Highway 2000 north-south leg is on the left, and the Northern Coastal Highway is on the right. So this makes this land prime real estate. Now, when CHEC was coming to Jamaica to build the land, the government at the time, the PNP, gave them 1,200 acres of land as a part of the deal to build the highway. Now, this highway that we're talking about is the one from Kingston to Otrius, the one straight ahead. And because it doesn't have as much traffic as Highway 2000 east-west leg, it's a toll road. It costs almost $1 billion US to build. The government CHEC said, okay, give us 1,200 acres of land to offset the cost of the highway and give us a 40-year concession to collect toll on the highway. So the government said yes. And the land that was given to CHEC is the land right beside the highway. So this is the first section of the 1,200 acres that they are going to develop. Now, what they're going to do here is build residential units. Are going to be building 4 multi-story blocks. The development will have 200 1 and 2 bedroom units and 69 deluxe and standard 3 bedroom units. And this development has had a lot of discussion because it's being built on the Roaring River Mammee Bay estate. And a lot of environmentalists have protested against this development because they said it's going to affect the watershed. NEPA, however, has done their thing, and I'm not sure if they've issued the EA, the environmental impact assessment yet, but they were in the process of doing it, and that is when all the discussion came up. But this CHEC went ahead and cleared the land. I'm probably if anybody knows what's the latest with the EIA, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. So this is where they're going to build it. Now, one real estate agent said these units will sell off within 1 week of going on the market. They haven't announced the price yet, but because of where it's located first of all, Mammee Bay is very developed. You have Mammee Bay is like 2 minutes from Ocho 1 minute from Duns River Falls, and on the other side you have Draxall, the fastest growing area in Jamaica. So the entire Mammee Bay area is developed, or most of it. So this is prime real estate, and you have easy access to the highway. So that's why these units are going to do so well. And China Harbour Engineering Company owns the development, and they're also doing the construction. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We will keep you guys updated on this development. As you can see, they've cleared the land, or started to clear it. Alright guys, have a good day.